MMBT is proud to introduce our newest HDMI Measurement Microscope Camera. All the features that you love from our previous model, plus all new extras. First of all, scroll to the side of the screen to bring up the menu. You can still do picture, video, you can do digital zoom, picture-in-picture, freeze the frame, monochrome, picture-in-picture, or even up to 4-in-1. Simply double-click to freeze so that you can view from multiple angles. But one of the nicest features that we have is to be able to do measurements. Click on the measurement tool icon, look at that, and point and click your measurements. Want to do a crosshair? We got that. Want to do notes? We have that as well as angles, lines, points, circles, you name it, we got a whole bunch of them. We also still have the crosshair generator, so if you want to do multiple points, we just got more lines, 8 vertical and 8 horizontal. To see even more, contact us at mmbt.us. Thanks, have a blessed day.